Good afternoon. Good afternoon, class. Today we are going to talk about this function of statistics and the scope of statistics. Moving towards the function of statistics, the first function of statistics is to simplify the complex data. It is very difficult for individual to understand and conclude a huge numerical data. So, statistics try to present complex data into simple and understandable form. It presents the data in the simple and understandable forms with the help of statistical tool like mean, median, correlation, graph, etc. With these tools, the statistical data are present in simple and understandable forms. Okay? The next function is to make a comparison of fact. With the help of statistics, comparison become a very easy. We can compare a data from previous year to the next year. It make the comparison easy of facts to facilitate the planning and the policy formulations. On the basis of numerical data के basis पे we can and the analysis data, उनको data को collect करके organize करके उनको analyze करके businessman can plan future activities and shape their policies. businessman अपनी future activities के लिए plan कर सकते हैं, as well as they can make the fruitful policies. And the fourth function is to help in forecasting. Yes, a very important that a business is full of risks and uncertainty. एक business जो risk से भरा हुआ है, uncertainty से भरा हुआ, correct forecasting is essential to reduce the uncertainty for the business. करेक्ट फोरकास्टिंग ज़रूरी है. तो स्टैटिस्टिकल हेल्प इन फोरकास्टिंग ऑल्सो. हाउ? स्टैटिस्टिकल टूल लाइक टाइम सीरीज analysis, except time series analysis and time series analysis, and there are many other tools also like interpolations, and there is many other tools that help in making the projection for the future. This is a fourth function of the statistics. And the fifth function is that to enlarge the individual knowledge and experience. Statistics enable the people to enlarge their horizons, their area of knowledge. It sharpen their rational thinking. वो उनकी rational thinking को sharp करता है, and reasoning and helpful in propounding the new theories in concept. New theories और concept को develop करने में help करता है. So it enlarge the individual knowledge and experience. These are the functions of the statistics. And now their scope. In the scope, statistics in planning. As a planning is the first step in anything, plan draw on the basis of information available through the statistics. ठीक है? Through the data which is available through statistics, on the basis of that data, the planning is done for the future. Next, statistics in business and management. Decision relating to the marketing, production, finance, investment are made on the basis of data provided. ठीक है? On the basis of data, decisions are made in the business about marketing, productions, finance. Statistics in industries. Statistics charts and inspections plans help in quality control. Through statistics, industries control their qualities. And statistics in economy, it is very helpful in economics. ठीक है? It help in understanding the problems, as well as it help in solving the problem related to the economics. This is all about the functions in the scope of statistics.